Today we are going to discuss about independent events. Independent events definition. Two or more events are said to be independent if occurrence or non-occurrence of any one of them does not affect the probability of occurrence or non-occurrence of other events. Two or more events are said to be independent if occurrence of or non-occurrence of any one of them does not affect the probability of occurrence or non-occurrence of the other events. Example, when two dice are thrown, probability of getting an odd number on first die and an even number on second die is independent of each other. So this is an example for independent events. Not only dice, you can say take a coin. When a coin is flipped, getting head first time, again you flip second time, again you get head. They are independent events. So these are the dependents. Means what? If one is depending on the other, those are known as dependent events. Example, small example explain. You take a bag contains 5 red balls, 3 black balls. 5 red, 3 black balls. A ball is drawn from a bag and is not replaced, and another ball is drawn from the bag, means automatically the sample space is affected. Suppose the first ball drawn is a red ball and second one you draw the red ball or any other ball, the sample space is affected. That means these two are dependent events here. Now properties of independent events. Consider two independent events A and B. A is one event and B is another event. A and B complement are also independent. A and B complement are also independent. A complement and B complement are also independent. These two are independent events. A and B complement independent. A complement, B complement is also independent. A complement and B also independent. For any two independent events, the probability of occurrence of both, that is P of A intersection B, is written as probability of A into probability of B. That means when they are independent events, these not depending on each other, so you write P of A into P of B. Suppose the probability of either A or B is given as probability of A plus probability of B minus probability of A into probability of B, because these two are independent events. Like that we can discuss. For independent events, we take one example. Example 5. A speaks through 75% cases and B is 80% cases. What is the probability that the statements about an incident do not match? A speaks through 75% of cases. B is 80% cases. What is the probability that the statements do not match for an incident? Let us see. About an incident, they do not match. What is given? A 75%, B 80%. Let me start like this. Let A be the event that A speaks through. So its probability is A speaks through. Its probability is 75 by 100. If you cancel, you will get 3 by 4. If A not speaking truth, you write it as P of A bar, 1 minus P of A, that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4, which is nothing but 1 by 4. Next, B speaks truth in 80% cases. So in the same lines, I will write probability of B is equal to 80% means 80 by 100. After simplification, we will get this is nothing but 4 by 5. If B is not speaking truth, 1 minus 4 by 5, that is equal to 1 by 5. This is P of B bar. Now the probability that the statement do not match. Probability that the statement do not match. That means what? If A is speaking truth, simultaneously B is not speak truth. If A is not speaking truth, B speaks truth. That means A not speaking truth means what? A speaks false. False. Truth. Truth. False. So A complement is false. B complement is false. This is true. This is true. Now the event E, they will be contradicting each other. Only one speaks truth, the other speaks false. How we are going to represent that? Probability of required event E is if A speaks truth, B false, or means plus if A speaks false, B speaks truth. Students, here A bar and B bar are also independent events. So A intersection B complement is written as P of A into P of B complement. P of A complement into P of B. What is P of A? That is 3 by 4. P of B complement 1 by 5 plus P of A complement is 1 by 4. P of B is how much? 4 by 5. Now, if you observe this, what you get here? 3 ones are 3. 20 plus 4. This is 3 by 20 plus 4 by 20. Final answer is 7 by 20. So the probability of the required event E, they will be contradicting each other. One speaks truth, other speaks false, is 7 by 20. So very nice question, students. Once again I'm explaining. A speaks truth 75% of the cases and B speaks 80% of the cases. What is the probability that their statement about an incident do not match? Do not match means they will be contradicting each other. Only when one speaks truth, the other will false. That means if A speaks truth and B false, or A false, B true, then these two are independent events. This A intersection B can be written as P of A into P of B complement, P of A complement to P of B. We know the values from the data. Substitute here, you get finally 7 by 20.